สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hi everyone, here is krusmuk, your Thai teacher from Banana Thai Language School. And in this episode นะคะ this episode is part of the read and write Thai tutorial, the tutorial that I will explain why these words, the complicated words, are written and are pronounced and read in a specific way. In this lesson, I will teach you how to read and write the word butter in Thai. This is the word butter ค่ะ How do you read it? Is it nay? Is it nay? Is it nay? I don't know. There's so many ways to read, and what is it? Well, many people would read it nay, nay, because they can see sara a right here. This is the vowel, okay? We define things first. So first one, this is the vowel, and we call it sara a, like this, right? Sara a, vowel a has a sound. Alright? And the second thing ค่ะ if you want to define the beginning consonant, here you go. นอหนูค่ะ นอหนู has the n sound นะคะ เป็น beginning consonant or อักษรนำ beginning consonant or initial consonant. Okay? And last one ค่ะ ยอยักษ์ right here. So, ยอยักษ์ค่ะ is y sound. And it's a ending consonant. Okay? So you have sara a as a vowel, sara. นอหนู as the beginning consonant, อักษรนำ and ยอยักษ์ is an ending consonant or ตัวสะกด. Alright, we got all components of a syllable. But this word is not pronounced nay with a sound because this script, this letter is not sara a. What? Yes, it's not sara a ค่ะ It is it comes from sara which normally written like this has a sound. For example, the word ber, which means number. The word r, which means to burp. The word ter, which means you, casual you, like, just to call you casually. So this is sala but the thing is, this sala changes its form once there is ending consonant. In this case, isยอยักษ์ as an ending consonant. Sara change form. Okay, sara changes its form when there is an ending consonant. Okay, the thing is there are two ways. First way, normally, if there is an ending consonant with sara from o-ang right here, it will move up to e on top of the beginning consonant. For example, the word เดิน which is, you might think that it should write like this, right? เดิน with ending consonant. But no, when there is an ending consonant, o-ang move up to be sara i. So that's why this is เดิน with sara sound and no ending consonant. Right? The word เดิน. The word, let's say เขิน which mean shy. The word เริ่ม which mean to start. And this is sara when there is ending consonant o-ang change to be sara on top. But the second case of สระเออค่ะ it's only when there is ยอยักษ์ ending consonant only ยอยักษ์ ending consonant okay or just disappear but no need to put สระอี no need to put สระอี and that's why เนยค่ะ it's written like this butter เนย not like this oops เนย and that's why เนยค่ะเนย it's written like this not like this see you might think it's supposed to be like this but just disappear and no need to put สระอี on top if the ending consonant is ยอยักษ์ right the word เนย what else the word เตยใบเตย bandan leaf the word เคย used to okay the word what else the word เลย to exaggerate like สวยมากเลย very beautiful see so that's why this word is not nay with สระเอ but it's actually sound from สระเออ เนย for example ค่ะ I want to compare if this is สระเอ okay if there is other ending consonant doesn't matter like กอไก่ it will be สระเอ sound like the word let's say เล็ก see เล็ก would be สระเอ but if it's ยอยักษ์ ending like this is สระเออ like the word เคย so this is สระเอ and this is สระเออ because of ยอยักษ์ ending and that's it of the word butter in Thai easy word simple word that is actually not easy to read and write เนย with สระเออค่ะ if you have any question please let me know in the comment below or please this is your homework please type down the word with สระเออยอยักษ์ similar to this if you know any other words that written like this please feel free to comment below and that's it if you want to learn how to read and write Thai don't forget to check out the ultimate guide to Thai reading the course that I teach myself on www.bananathaischool.com see you เจอกันค่ะ